And when she told me that, my mind was blown. My life changed from that moment on. Oh my goodness, I couldn't believe it. Hi everyone, I'm Hope from Team Sephora. I am usually behind the scenes. I'm usually working on videos for Sephora, but today I'm here in front of the camera to show you some things I've learned from some of the beauty directors while I've been on set. You can think of me as your backstage bestie because I'm gonna spill some tips and tricks that they've taught me along the way, so let's get started. Okay, so the first thing that I wanna talk about is the Way Scalp and Body Scrub. And I have to thank Melinda, beauty director Melinda, for teaching me all about scalp care. She always stresses that scalp care is a part of your skincare, right? Like this is where your hair grows, it's where your hair health starts. And let me tell you, I was neglecting my scalp for a very long time. I owe her a personal apology. Please don't hurt me, okay? And this stuff is so amazing. It smells great. It's got that nice gritty texture. And it just keeps my hair looking like $1,000,000. Look at that. Ooh, we got some nice floral smells. I'm gonna show you. Ooh, yes, and it doubles as a body scrub too. So you can get that nice exfoliation in. We love to see it. So thank you, Melinda. All right, so the next thing I wanna talk about is this retinol. So I didn't discover retinol on set. I've been using it for half my life, almost like 16 years. But when I moved to California, my skin just like went crazy. Like it was dry, it was flaky, and it could not tolerate it anymore. And I was using the Shani Darden skincare retinol reform, which I love. And David was like, okay, if you can't do that, if you can't put it directly on your skin because it's so dry, then create that layer of moisturizer, like give yourself a barrier and then put the retinol on above that, right? So you have this like gentler layer of retinol on, but it still does all the work that it needs to. But your skin's a little bit more protective. And let me show you, I love this stuff right here. So yeah, you just put this on right over your moisturizer and it just glides on. And you get all of the benefits of the retinol. So you're getting all of that cellular turnover, getting rid of all of those, helping work against all those fine lines and wrinkles, but here we are. Thank you, David. All right, so the next thing I want to talk about is also a tip that I got from David, and it is the Dr. Jart Ceramide Liquid. So David did a beauty newbie episode all about ceramides and the importance of ceramides, and he explains them as like they are a brick wall between your skin and the environment, and they just help you keep in all of that moisture. And like I said, I moved here to California and my skin just went haywire. It was dry, it was flaky, and ceramides really changed the game. If I could put ceramides into a bathtub every night, I would just bathe in them. They're so luxurious. And I love this moisturizing toner from Dr. Jart. You usually think of a toner as something that's like really kind of drying, but this is super, super moisturizing and it's gonna hydrate your skin. And look at this texture. It's seriously like butter, and it just locks in everything that you're putting into your skin. Ooh, ooh, ooh. It's so gorgeous. Thank you, David. Okay, so the next thing I want to talk about is a setting powder. So I didn't discover a setting powder on set, but Maisha, beauty director Maisha, she taught me that to really set your under eye concealer, you don't look forward, you look up. And when she told me that, my mind was blown. My life changed from that moment on. Oh my goodness, I couldn't believe it. Before that, I always just imagined that I was just like, well, I just gotta go through the day with crease concealer. But no, you just look up. And she put me onto the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish Setting Powder. It's so finely milled, and you just take a little brush after you've applied your concealer and you look up and you just apply it, and none of those like creases, those fine lines will show throughout the day. It is in place, locked and loaded, and ready for you to just live your best life. Crease free, crease free. Thank you, Maisha. All right, so the last thing I want to talk about is the importance of having a foundation wardrobe. Thank you, David. So the same way that you would change out your clothes in between seasons, you know, you're not going to wear a cashmere turtleneck in June, you would change out your foundations to something a little bit lighter in the summer and maybe a little bit heavier or more coverage in the winter. So a perfect summer foundation is the Ilia Super Serum Skin Tint SPF 40 foundation. It's super, super lightweight. It's a little bit of skincare mixed in, and it has that sun protection that you need in warmer weather, well, all year round, but especially in warmer weather. I'm gonna show you on the back of my hand how thin it is and lightweight. Look at that, and it blends so easily. Ugh. But it still feels so moisturizing and nourishing. This with like a little bit of setting powder and bronzer in the summer is all you need for a chef's kiss type of look. Ooh, 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 ooh. And this is the color 11.5. And I'll probably go even a little bit darker in the summer. And one that I love for winter is the Armani Beauty Luminous Silk Perfect Glow Flawless Oil-Free Foundation. This is, just like it said, it is truly luminosity in a bottle. So if you, in the wintertime, your skin is looking a little sallow or a little gray, or you haven't been out in the sun, this will just bring out the most in your skin. And it truly, truly blends so easily. I have it on right now, and it looks great on camera, if I do say so myself. But it's still moisturizing. Like, it doesn't feel like you're wearing heavy makeup that's drying out your skin. It's still giving you amazing coverage, but taking care of your skin in the wintertime. So thank you, David, for the tip on the foundation wardrobe, okay? Thank you. All right, so these are just a few things that I've learned from beauty directors behind the scenes, but let me know if you want any more videos like this, or if you have any tips that you've learned from beauty directors, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you all soon. Bye.